Let me show you how to write a perspective text in Adobe Photoshop. Choose the Type tool and write your text. This is the font I am using. Change font the color. Press Ctrl-T and scale it while holding the Shift button. Right-click and choose Select Pixels. Press Ctrl-C to make a copy. Hide this layer, press Ctrl-D to deselect. Create a new layer. Go to Filter and choose Vanishing Point. Draw your perspective. If it is red, it is wrong, adjust it to be blue color. Press Ctrl-V to paste your text. Press Ctrl-T and scale it while holding the Shift button. Follow this process. When you finish, press OK. Right-click on the layer to open the blending options. Drag the underlying layer to the right. Hold Alt and click to break it into two. When you finish, press OK. When you finish, press OK. Like and share this video. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more videos.